the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of BOXD Inc. and the stock today is up 2.70%, trading at $1.91. Yesterday, BOXD Inc. closed at $1.85. Today it opened a little bit lower at $1.80. In today's range, the stock has traded anywhere from $1.77 all the way up to $1.94. The 52-week range for BOXD Inc. is from $1.27 all the way up to $17.05. Today's volume, 3.5 million shares have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 6.27 million. The market capitalization for BOXD Inc. today stands at $131 million. So today is a mixed bag for Wall Street. Looking at the top of your screens, you can see the S&P 500 almost up to a percentage point, Dow 30 almost up to a percentage point, and same with Nasdaq and also the Russell 2000. Crude oil is up 2.91% and trending upward. It is selling at $108.84 a barrel. So that is the outlook. That's a picture, a snapshot of what Wall Street and the economy might look like just as we go into this 3-day weekend for Independence Day. Over the past 5 days, guys, you can see how BOXD has slowly declined in value. And if you go to the monthly, it's even more shocking. So the stock came from about $7 and now is trading under $2. So that's a huge loss for those who are long-term investors who have their money in this particular stock. So 3 days in this economy is very long. Do make sure that you do your investments correctly before you sign off on this Friday, because the next opportunity you have is Tuesday and a lot of water might go under the bridge between now and Tuesday. I will leave you guys at this point. Please do be careful as you enjoy your fireworks on this 4th of July. I will catch you guys back on Tuesday. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye now.